My reaction?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely. Okay, B. Yes.
You like it?
Yes. Oh my god. How funny. Hey Foxies, my name is Simon Fox. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, so if you're returning, welcome. And like always, this is never about subscribers, nor about money, but about love and light. So with that being said, we're going to be doing a makeup look on me, but today I have
Ashley. It's Ashley
makeup.
G, bitch.
Yeah. Doing my makeup today. So
yes. Today I'm gonna be doing his makeup. He's always doing his own makeup, so now somebody else has to, you know.
Yeah. Do my face. Yeah, because I was like, I haven't really had anybody do my makeup, so.
And I like practicing on people just because I need to get better as well, so.
Yeah, and practicing on different faces is like fun. It's different.
Facts. So let's
get straight into the video.
Oh, I don't really know what it is. Yeah, I just got to no.
Concealer.
Oh, this is concealer.
Yeah.
Kind of fucked up. I'll make it right. Okay. So I'm gonna be going in with this NYX. Come on, bitch. Okay. This NYX eye primer, and it's in white, just because I want the pigments to be as vibrant as possible, because I kind of want to do a fun look, which is out of my comfort zone. It's very in his comfort zone.
Yeah.
So now I'm going in with bitch, and then I kind of think of Brightman Raw whenever I hear that. Bitch.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in the crease and then just start building that up. We're just gonna go with a different bridge, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go with a little smaller one.
It's huge.
Yeah, it's like a little bit too.
I think it's because my eyelids are like not that big.
Like, I guess what I would use wouldn't be the same for everybody else, you know what I mean? So just lightly. Can you see that? Okay.
Is that itch? That's itch.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna like so you can do an edit and it's like closer, you know what I mean?
Yes, I love that.
Just gonna keep on blending and blending and blending until my liking.
She blends so much, she gave me my eye rug burn.
I'm sorry.
I'm just kidding.
But bitch, you about to be snatched.
Yes.
Are you trying to like wait to like see it, or like you
I'm down.
No,
I'm down to like.
You down?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you going? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this blue. I think it'll be fun to do that on the actual lid. So I'm gonna go in with the flat brush and just start patting it on his lid. Let's get in there. And I'm just gonna go back in with this color, and I'm just gonna start blending it out. Blending is fucking key. And then when it starts blending together, you start getting a purple naturally. So in the crease, it's more purpley. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the blue, just keep on building it to my liking.
If you do my eyeliner better than me, I'm walking out. You're keeping all my makeup on.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I kinda want you to just see it already.
Yeah.
I'm so serious. I think you're really gonna like it.
I already know
You wanna see it?
that. hate me for the first time. I kind of want to surprise.
Okay, we're gonna fucking surprise.
Yeah, I want you to fuck up my whole face. Not like that, but
Yeah.
like, you know what I mean.
I know what you meant.
His eyeshadows, they blend so nice, huh?
They do. So, you know, that means I gotta fucking get some.
I always tell everybody, like, Jeffree Star is always like the first, like, eyeshadow company, anything like products that I recommend just because I love.
Now that his lids are done, I'm gonna be using these Ardell lashes. These are the 253. I don't know the actual fucking name of them.
Who?
The Ardell.
Oh, okay.
And these are like very big and luscious, so I really think they'll look good with this eye look. So can you fix it? Wait, you can't look at
I was like, I can't see nothing.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of mascara underneath to like help blend with the lashes.
You know what's crazy? I stopped wearing foundation like that.
For real?
Yeah.
I started.
Queen, yeah, I remember you used to tell me you would just do concealer.
Yeah. I found one that I like that's drugstore. Like I bought it yesterday or the day before. And it's Maloney and it's fucking good as shit.
Are you talking about powder?
No.
Oh,
I
foundation?
like, yeah, foundation. I just bought it today and it like made me feel like a fucking Barbie doll.
Girl, you had that one before, no?
Like a long time ago. But
Yeah, because you made me buy it a long time ago.
Yeah,
like, you were like, I had the Milani, and I was like, I'm gonna go get the
Oh
Milani.
yeah, I forgot it. I forgot I had that, but no wonder it's
It's
so
kind of
bad.
crazy that I used to, like, ask you, like, for products.
That's crazy.
I know. I just realized that.
And like now, like you're like
More into makeup.
focused.
Yeah.
We got somewhere. Oh my god.
I can't even open my...
So I'm using this Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in warm beige. This is mine. I'm gonna see if it works on his skin. If not, I'll lighten it up. But until then, oh well. Well.
Bring back to life. Me when nobody will make it back.
I'm sorry, bro.
There you go. Was that your nail?
Yeah.
I mean, you're good.
You're good, but was that your fucking nail?
Yeah.
So now I'm just gonna set his entire face. Just make it look matte, baby.
Yes, queen. Your favorite.
My fucking favorite.
Okay. She was trying to mat up my teeth.
So I'm gonna go in with this brown from the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and just use a fluffy brush and just start like lightly contouring his face, giving it that bronzy but not too like orangey look, you know what I mean? Start sculpting out the bottom line to give it like a shadow effect.
Yes. I was actually really excited about this step because, well, you said you used it on your face, and I feel like your contour looks hella natural. And when I do it, it's more photography.
I'm gonna go in with the same shade, and I'm just gonna start like turning you. Okay, I'm going in with the Hoola bronzer and just gonna lightly just go over the contour that I did. Everywhere but the nose. So now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight his face, and once again I'm using the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and with this gold and then this pink shade, and I'm gonna mix these two together. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like wet the brush, and this is just a aloe mist by Elf. It's a little greggy, it's okay.
Yeah, no, I was drying it in front of a heater and it bended.
And then I'm gonna go on this side. And then I'm just gonna start blending it out.
But you gonna have me using eyeshadows for highlights now because I see you.
Oh yeah.
I've never done that either.
What?
That's my blush brush.
Oh, did I use this one?
It's okay.
Is this something?
Yeah. I mean, yeah, everywhere.
Oh, fuck.
Okay.
You're all fucking pink.
No, are you serious?
No.
Oh, Patrick, sorry.
So now I'm gonna be going over with the Kylie Jenner. This is a velvet liquid lipstick in the shade Low Key. Low Key. And
All the straight guys in school.
Low Key. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to be just spraying his entire face, setting everything. I am so sorry.
She didn't even say like, are you ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
This love won't be easy. Will you still be here?
My
Yeah.
reaction? Oh yeah.
Okay.
Definitely. Okay, B. Yes.
You like it?
Yes. Oh my god. I'm fine. Wait. That's so hard because you probably do my face better than I do.
Oh.
Fuck.
Hey, I like the way it's like giving me like cotton candy vibes.
Yeah, cotton candy.
Like come
soft
closer
skin.
to.
Alright, Foxy, so this is the end of the video. If you like this, please make sure to like, make sure to leave some love. And thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Dude, she did my face better than I could. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, I think I need to learn how to do more natural because this looks natural. Like this I could go out in public and probably not get looked at, but with my usual contour and all that, that's another story.
Yeah, like it's definitely more like of a natural like base wise.
Yes, but the
So,
eyes.
The eyes pop out, but like it just all goes together, especially like the nude lip giving everything like tension and everything up there.
I
So,
love.
yeah. So I think it came pretty good.
Yes, again, thank you. Y'all make sure to follow Ashley. I'm gonna leave her link down below in the description. So make sure to follow her on YouTube. And we'll see y'all later. Bye, Foxies.